Welcome everyone to HueFin News. Today is September 29, 2019. Here to give you all the news according to the chart. Before I do, let me tell you, first time come to our channel, hit that subscribe button, like and share these videos because we're here to give you all our price forecast according to the price chart without causing you any confusion. Now, today we're going to talk about Ethereum, and our last forecast for this market was for Ethereum to continue to move higher in price. And we did that video on the 21st of September. As you all can tell, the market definitely went against our forecast. And literally after we did our video, and we saw some weakness coming into our video, on this price chart for Ethereum on that particular day of the 21st of September. So that's why we played our forecast on the 2-hour price chart. Okay, so let's go back to that particular time period, which was right here. And we originally had a TP price of about $220, and the market didn't even get that high. Okay, and seeing how we play this market on a very small time frame, we had a stop loss of about 2.5%, 2.55%. Now we would have gotten out a little lower than that, because on the close of this particular 2-hour bar is when we would have gotten out the market, realizing that this particular cryptocurrency was not anticipated to continue to see higher prices. So it would have been about a 3% loss in that particular forecast for us. Okay, and literally since then the market just completely fell off the cliff, which went against our original forecast. So we'll definitely show you when trades go for us and then when trades go against us. And in this particular situation, this trade or this forecast went against us. So seeing that that is the past, let's go ahead and get rid of it. And we're going to talk about our new forecast in Ethereum, and also to say beware Ethereum losses to continue. That's what we're going to try to find out. We want to see if the market in Ethereum is going to continue to have losses. Are we going to continue to see massive weakness coming to the cryptocurrency space? And the way that you'll have to do that is looking at it on a weekly time frame. So we're going to start off with Ethereum on the monthly time frame, seeing how we are at the end of the month of September. Want to see how the market in Ethereum has traded, and as you can tell, we're definitely still seeing a lot of weakness on the monthly price bars. That is not positive for Ethereum. Now, our opportunity was happening this month of September, but now at the current levels, we couldn't maintain that price in Ethereum above $220. Quick look at Ethereum on the weekly time frame. That's not positive neither. This one weekly price bar has literally erased the last 3 weeks of price action in the market. So that's not positive neither. I do see a minor support area coming in around $160, but given that massive spread that we're currently seeing in Ethereum, likely that we're going to continue to move to the downside, maybe around $145 to around $140 initially, but we definitely don't want to go anywhere lower than that, which would be around $125. Okay, so longer time frame is still anticipated some continued movement to the downside in Ethereum. We're seeing weakness on the daily time frame as well. Let's hit it on the smaller time frames and see precisely what we're getting. Again, we're trying to get some minor strength coming to the market in Ethereum. We can play that on the small time frame and forecast the price to move higher. I do like that, but only on the small time frame. Okay, and literally maybe around $172 will be the area of resistance, if not back up to around 176. You can definitely tell that we are getting some strength trying to come to the market in Ethereum at this particular moment. So on the smaller time frames, we're getting anything but consolidational trading. So just like our last forecast for Ethereum, we're going to play this one on a small time frame once again, because I don't suspect that the market is done with lower prices in Ethereum. So we're going to bring that support right here around $164. We will TP it at 172 around that particular area, under the presumption that weakness comes into the market. Okay, so we'll hold resistance ultimately around 176, but again, we're playing this on a small time frame. So Definitely, I can see some resistance coming in around 172.50, so keep that in mind as we continue to see the market and Ethereum try to continue to pursue higher prices. I do like it, but only on a small time frame. The weekly and the monthly longer time frame is still pursuing to us that weakness is present. So we're just going to play this one on a small time frame to see higher prices play out in Ethereum. All right, so this is our forecast for Ethereum. It's only on a small time frame. You guys see this a little late. The market would have already likely has executed what it's going to do. So you might already missed out on it, but that's how the market goes. Long term, we're still anticipating the market in Ethereum to try to continue to move lower. We're giving you some price levels to try to identify from the weekly and the monthly perspective. But currently, this video is only for the short term. Questions, comments, let us know. Make sure y'all maintain your profitability, and I will see you all on the next one. Okay, playing this one on the 2 hour time frame.